In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to remove a page number from the first page of a document in Microsoft Word. Just like this, when you have your series of number of pages and you don't want the page number to appear on the title page or the first page, so you can remove it such that the page numbering will start from the second page. So to do that, for instance, I have this document which has page number. This is the title page and the page numbering started from 1 on the first page. If I don't want the page numbering to start to appear on this first page such that it will just continue from this second one, how do I do that? To do that, come to this very end, double click to highlight this very first page, then make sure you are under design here. Once you double click and highlight the page numbering, it will show you design. Then check this different first page, check it. Once you check it, that different first page means that it should hide the first page. So you can see that the first page has been hidden, you cannot see it now. And if you move down, you can see that it continued from second page. Started appearing from second page, page 2, page 3, and so forth. You can see that on the title page, the page numbering is not showing again. So this is how to remove or hide first page on title page. Thank you for watching.